Hello everyone! Today, we are about to learn how to create a buzz wire game with an Arduino. In this project, a buzzer wire game is designed and developed to enhance and integrate the researcher's knowledge of fundamental programming and automation in relation to the theories and principles of control engineering. A buzzer wire game is a steady hand game that is well known to many as a tabletop amusement. The aim is to guide the grip-mounted loop through the wire maze without touching the loop against the metal maze all the way to the end. The player has to get the right balance between coordination and skill in order to obtain the winning formula. Now, let us discuss the parts and assembly of the buzzer wire game. The things we need includes 1 Arduino Uno, breadboard, 220 ohm resistor, piezo buzzer, LED or light emitting diode, push button, metal handle, metal loop, wooden base, electric wires, male-to-male hookup wires, and 9 volts DC battery. The software that we are about to use is the Arduino IDE. The cores, or the metal loop. A metal-coated hanger is bent to form an irregular shape and serve as the cores of the game. This is the basis of the whole game. A cable is attached to one end of the cores to allow the electricity to pass through and create a signal for the buzzer and LED light to turn on. The base, or the wooden base. This provides a base to anchor the electronics on, in addition to holding the cores upright. You could use anything you have lying around the house, even a cardboard box, in place of the recycled plywood that we have used. To create an N shape, divide the pieces into 3. These 3 sections only needs to be screwed or glued together. You can paint the base according to your desired color. To keep the side pieces from breaking, don't forget to drill a pilot hole in them first. The handle. Create a loop with a small metal handle by twisting a small portion of the coat hanger. Make sure to file the cut edge before applying tape or foam if required. This will make up the other half of the circuit. When it comes into contact with the path, it will function exactly like a switch to complete the circuit. Similar to how you did it before for the cores. Attach the second wire to the bottom of this. The circuit. This project circuitry is not as complex than other Arduino-based projects exist. Arduino Uno. This hardware will contain the code and program you want to include on your game. This will contain the maps of the system for the game to work. This is placed beneath the base to give the project a smooth finish. Breadboard. Located at the left side of the Arduino Uno, beneath the base of the project, the buzzer, LED, push button, and other cords used in the game will all be held in this device. This will serve as the motherboard of the circuitry. The 9 volts DC battery will set as the power supply of the buzz wire game. The battery will be connected to the Arduino Uno and placed under the base of the project. Push button. This is the game's reset button. The reset button must be pushed in order for the game to restart after the player fails to complete it. Located at the top of the base. Male-to-male hookup wires or electric wires. The project connects ports on a breadboard using male-to-male link-up cables. Male ends have a pin sticking out that can be plugged into an Arduino or other device. These wires or electric wires allows the circuitry to be connected and completed. 220 ohm resistor. To prevent the circuit from floating, the resistor, also known as the pull-down resistor, binds it to the ground. This allows the Arduino to detect the circuit changing. The Arduino is also protected by the resistor. The digital pin receives 5 volts when the two components make contact. A dead short would result from the absence of this resistor. Piezo buzzer. It is another indication where the player has failed to finish the game. The player should hear the long buzz indicating that the handle touches the course. The buzzer is placed under the base. LED or light emitting diode, an indicator that the player fails to complete the game. It will turn on once the handle touches the course. The LED is mounted on the center of the base. We hope that you enjoyed watching our video. Now it's your turn to make your own Arduino. Write your own program and let's see how it works. This is Tribo ni MANCIA from ME-4D. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up button. See you on our next video.